Hi everyone, let's discuss basic HTML elements. Okay, first one is headings. These are H1 to H6 tags and it provides 6 level of headings. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. Okay, and we have line breaks that is represented by BR tag and horizontal lines that is represented by HR tag. So BR tags, what it does, it adds a single line breaks within the text, and HR tag, it creates a horizontal line and used for the separating the sections. Similarly, we have comments in the HTML. Okay, so these are used to add notes within the HTML code, and comments, these are not displayed in the browser. So firstly creates a h1 tag. This is h1. Okay, similarly we have h2 tag. H2 tag. Okay, this is h2. H2. Okay, so similarly we can write h3 tag or h6 tag, that is the smallest tag. This is h6. So let's see how it looks in the browser. Okay, as you can see, this is the largest headline and this is the smallest based on the tags we have provided. And we have break also. If we use break, like here, if we use BR, okay, so what it will do, it will break the line. BR tag, it will add a single line break within the text. Let's go to here. Okay, so after this is we have used break tag, so h6 is in the next line because it has break the line. And if you want to use horizontal line here, this is the HR tag. Okay, so as we can see, there is a horizontal line in the browser. So these are the basic elements in the HTML, and we will discuss further concepts in the next video.